Hi gentlemen, welcome in another video. In this video I'm gonna show you a new software, InkFlow. InkFlow have a lot of tools for your work. If you scroll here down you wanna see a lot of things. Why to attended? 10 attended will get InkFlow accounts worth 1,497 for free just for attending live session. And if you scroll here, you want to see a lot of tools here, like how to start your own content marketing agency in one click with InkFlow. You will learn how to make $100K in your profit with InkFlow. And every agent will get 10 software worth $1,000 for free, just for attending the webinar call. This is very informative and very attention for if you wanna create an agent or some business online. Have a great day. Thank you.